Morning students. Today we are going to see another lesson number 2, nouns, and it is divided into two, number and gender. And today we will talk about only the number. You see, this number is of two types. The first one is singular, the other one is plural. Now what do we mean when we say singular? Singular means what? I think it is clear to all of you, but still I just want to clear the idea to you. Now look at this one. How many books do you see? How many books are there? Just only one, isn't it? So singular refers to one, and plural refers to how many? More than one. That means this many, more than this also. So I think it is clear to you. Now we will be seeing the rules. When we change a singular noun into plural, there are certain rules which need to be followed. Now the first one, what do you say? The first one is add s to the singular number to make it plural. Next one we have, if I show you, I just want to show you one example from here. Like you have a dog, this is a singular number. When we change it into plural, what do? We add s. So it is, the first one is singular, the other one is plural. Now the next one is that add es for singular nouns ending in s, double s, ch, sh, x and o. So we need to keep in mind there are some nouns which ends with s, double s and all this. So if you find this kind of nouns, please add es to make it plural. Now let us move on to the next rule. Number 3, change the f or fe into v and add es to make it plural. So what do we have to do? Like any nouns, if you get a noun ending with f or fe, just change it into v and add es to make it plural. Next rule, change the y into I and add es. So what do we have to do? We have to change y into I and add es to make it plural. But there are some exceptions. Those exceptions I will be telling you in the next class. Now we have got the fifth one, change of vowels. Only the change, there will be change in vowel. So for example, I would like to show you just one. M-A-N. When we change it, it becomes men. So only what is changing? Only the vowels are changing. So these are also known as the irregular. Irregular. Now we have the sixth one. Sixth rule is what? Nouns that stay same in both the forms, both in singular and in plural, do not change at all. This kind of nouns remain the same. Just for example, I have written sheep, then deer, etc. So no matter whether they are in singular or plural, there is no change at all. It remains the same. So hope you have understood all these points which I have discussed from 1 to 6. There are 6 points. I want you that you write all these rules and learn them. And for your homework, you see, I think it is visible to you. You can see it. Rules. The first one is what? The rules you have to learn and the exercises used. Look at the exercises here. Exercise number A and B, pages number 13 to 14. So before we end up, just look at your book once. Page number 13, question number A. Underline the correct forms of the nouns in the sentences. What do you have to do? You have to write the whole sentence and write the correct options only. You are supposed to copy, okay, supposed to copy the sentences with the correct option. Page number 14, question number B. Rewrite the sentences using the opposite number forms of the words in color. So you can see the words which are written in color, only those things you have to change it into opposite. What will be the first one? Okay, let me tell you. I would like to play that game. So what is colored here? That game is colored. So instead of that game, you will be writing this game. Okay, THIS. So this way you have to write up to 6. So children, okay, thank you very much for listening to me. I hope okay all these things are clear. If there are any kind of difficulties, we will continue on the next class. Thank you so much.